Oh, yeah. Wow, 3 minutes of burps and I'm only 45 seconds in. Thank you so much. Appreciate the donation and the love and the respect. I call that one burp breath. It's a burp in and a burp out. Gonna swallow the air. Charge up for a big one. It's nice walking down the street or in the mall or somewhere there's people at and just ripping a big old burp. Oh, my belly's so full. That one's huge. Heat, enjoy. Thank you.